group. So the 4%, let me explain to you the 4% concept. It's not another system, it's not another product, it's not another thing out there, okay? We wanted to create something that people would be proud to represent. We wanted to create a very special place that people can label themselves as identifier for people in the marketplace. We wanted to set the industry standard, just elevate it a little bit, okay? Let me explain to you. Check it out. There's a concept called the 80-20 principle, right? The Pareto's principle, the 80-20 rule. Everybody knows about that, right? 80% of, 20% of people doing 80% of the work, blah, 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 that kind of stuff. Statistically, see if you do your research, it's true, but there is another level on top of it, okay? So like, for example, if this pie over here represents 100 people in our industry, these 100 people will say, you know what, I want to change my life, man. I want to go for that star. I want to go for that $10,000. I want to provide better stuff for my family, that kind of stuff. If 100 people will go for a dream or a vision or or something that they want to accomplish, 80% of them, let's say this is 25, that's like 20%, okay? 80%, these guys right here, they will just talk about it. They'll complain, they'll moan and groan, right? They'll just talk about it, they'll not do anything, okay? True or true? You guys know? Okay? These 20%ers, they will take action, okay? They will grind, and they'll do what's convenient, okay? Not all of them, about 80%. 80% of the 20%, so let's see, that's half, that's about 20, just about like that, right? Just about like that. So these guys right here, the 80% of the 20%, okay? These guys will take action, they will do what's convenient, okay? They're gonna grind, but see what they do is these guys focus on 98% of the activities that only generate about 2% of the results. They're trying, man, and they're gonna be hustling, but income is not gonna be there. Check statistics, do your research, you guys. You will find this to be true in every industry, virtually every industry, okay? True? Peter says yes, right? You guys understand it. Does this make sense, you guys? Does this resonate with you? Now, these right here, 20% of the 20%, you guys. And again, research proves this if in every industry, any market, anything, right? 4 people out of 100, if this pie represents 100 people, only 4 people or 4%, these guys will do whatever it takes. Write this down. Whatever it takes to reach your star. They will crawl through the broken glass. They'll go through brick walls. They'll do whatever it takes. They'll pull all-nighters. They'll do whatever it takes to reach their goal. These guys, collectively, when you're talking about money, they typically will earn about 96 or 97% of all the income that's being earned in any particular industry. Only about 4%. This is not just my words. This is research, okay? Statistics. So, okay, thinking about it, okay, I think it's around 10K, okay? So true, I had no idea what some of you guys are talking about, but I'm gonna continue. So what we wanted to do is, look, we're looking at this industry, right? I'm like, man, so many people are failing. How do we fix it? Well, we help people get here. How can I help this guy, a newbie, right, go from here to go here? First of all, step number 1 is I gotta get him on some solid financial grounds. Boom, get his bills paid, get him the cash coming in, man. How many of you want to get the cash coming in? I mean, like, seriously, not just wishful thinking or pie in the sky talk, but literally like, hey, how can I put some money in the bank, right? Show me the money. Put some money in the bank, okay? Now, I need to work on his confidence level. I need to teach him how to become a 4% marketer. I need to do some work with him, but I've got to get his confidence level up, right? So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to do it for him, period. I'm gonna do what I know to do best, okay? And I'm gonna do it for him. In the meantime, I'm gonna train him and teach him and give him the highest level education I can possibly give him to get him over here. So what we do is we represent an idea. You guys getting it? You guys with me on this one? We represent an idea. It's an identifier. People, they will want to be identified as a 4%er, okay? And it's not a cliche like, well, I'm a 1%, or what's a 1%? I mean, but research shows, look, 4% of people, they literally control the entire industry in pretty much anything, okay? These guys go for, they have great relationships, they have great, self-esteem, they have great confidence, they take care of themselves. So literally it's a standard that we can challenge people to live up to. You see what I'm saying?